This is a quick tutorial on how to make a coffee in the Nespresso machine. So you start off by checking that the water level is up to here and no higher. And you slide it into the back of the machine until you hear a click. And you grab your pod, lift it up, put the pod in and close it. These buttons on the top control the heat, the foam level, the strength of your coffee as well. So this is for a weak coffee, medium coffee and a very strong coffee. So to start the machine, pick the strength that you like. Before you press the button, you can adjust the temperature of the coffee here and the foam. When that's done, grab your milk and fill up to which line you'd like for a strong coffee or a weaker coffee. And simply lift the wand and put it under and press this button to heat the milk up. And that's complete. Lift the wand and make sure to wipe it with a cloth and let it go back down and rinse. After that's finished, pour the milk, self-explanatory. And to turn the machine off, you hold this button and this button simultaneously. And that's done.